This is the Aiper Seagull SE. This is what my pool looks like after being closed for the winter. I do have some wrinkles in the bottom of my pool and a slight slope, so I am glad that it's moving. So far it's just been doing this, where it's been bumping into the wall, pausing, and then going back the exact opposite way. Oh, that one time it turned a little bit. I'm gonna let this run and come back in a little bit and check on it. So the vacuum comes with this little hook. You have to have your own pole though. So I'm going to go and grab it. Hopefully not drop my phone in the water. Alright, I need another hand. So unlatch here and here, and then I need 2 hands to lift it off. So put my phone down. Here is the filter and all the nasty debris that I got. So gross. So I'm gonna rinse this out and get it charging for next time. But yeah, that was really impressive.